Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I am going to show how easily you can deliver your application on your mobile device. In our previous video we created a mobile application with name QR code scanner. So let's create a clone of this application. First let's make a backup, and then let's create a new app, then select create app from backup and choose QR code scanner app 1 zip file and provide new name, delivery app, let's call it. Press create. Of course, if you would use a standard Cordova plugins, we will be able to apply Appery IO tester application. But let's assume that we use some custom Cordova plugin. Since this plugin is custom, we will not be able to use Appery IO tester because of course it is not included into binary source of this application. And to solve this issue we can use following workaround. First, let's make an export our application into binary APK. By the way, procedure for IPA file will be the same. Press export. Our application is ready. So, and this is our APK file. So we can come into it because this is a just zip file. Then we have to come into assets folder, then in 3W folder, and here there is a plugins folder, and let's sort by name. Cordova JS file and Cordova plugin.js file. So all of these resources has to be added into our application in following way. So let's open our application and then let's create type script with name Cordova, and let's specify type as external JavaScript file. Press create, or we can let's press create, then open our Cordova.js file and paste it in our editor here. Don't forget to press save. Then we have to open source tab, here Ionic, SRK, assets and JS, and here we have to transfer Cordova plugin.js and plugins folder. Let's do it. So select JS folder here and select upload to this folder, then drag and drop Cordova plugin.js file, press close, and in order to upload plugins folder, let's archive it into zip file. For that let's create some temporary folder with name temp. Copy here plugins folder and let's pack this folder into zip file. And last step, let's upload it here. Again select upload to this folder, but here select zip bundle and drag and drop plugin zip. Press close, let's check. Yeah, all plugins is here. And probably our last step, we have to update one Cordova file, config XML. So here is specified the URL which will be open in our web application. We have to replace it on URL of our preview. For that we can copy it here. So copy and then change index.html on this URL. And also we can add index.html in the end. That's it. Now we can export our application in APK file again. Application is ready, and now let's install it. Run our QR code scanner. Download. So when it is downloaded, install it. And open. Yeah, everything is correct because we forgot to specify our preview as a public. Let's do it. So select here public, press save. Now let's close our application and run it again. Wait a while. So application is displayed on our screen, and now let's update the UI of our application. For example, let's add some dummy button, press save, then remove our application from the memory and run it again. And now on the screen of mobile phone you see the just added button. I want to point your attention that this workaround you can use only for development purposes by several reasons, and in order to restore everything to build your application in a normal way, you can do following steps. First, delete config.xml file. Please don't worry about it. And then select undo all source changes. Yeah, config.xml file is here. And also I suggest you to comment Cordova TypeScript file. So that's it, what I wanted to show in this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments.